Where did Alexander start on this map? Yes. Yeah. Macedonia, yes. Up here. And he came down, and where's the next big city you see on this map that he stopped at? Yes. No, not quite. There was one before that. Yes. Egypt. And then he came on down and around, and where did he end up? Where's that? Then where did he end up? Yes. Mesopotamia. And finally, where did he end up? Yeah. Persia? Yeah, and India, right? So the correct answer is A. So now do me a favor and we're going to talk about Greece and what they do for our country and our world today. So where did democracy originate from? Yes. Yes, that's correct. And oligarchy? Yeah.
Is from Sparta.
Sparta.
They have two like people that like are like kings, and then they have the rest that.
Right. Okay, so the ideas of the republic government, including democracy and oligarchy. Who came up with the idea of the republic? Yeah. There's a certain guy. He's a philosopher. Yes. I think it's Aristotle. Am I right, Miss Elliott? Yes, Aristotle. Remember? Maybe you guys didn't. She didn't tell you that. Maybe I'm getting mixed up. That's okay. Okay. So what do we have here in the U.S.? Well, republic. Yep. So you can see a lot of things from Greece we still have in our world today. It impacts our lives a lot. Okay, so plays. Plays like the Iliad and the Odyssey. Those originated in Greece. And what big place did they do these plays at? Starts with a P. A theater, yep. Parthenon, yes. That's correct. And what about columns? Where do we see columns today? Let's start there. Yes.
Like at the White House.
At the White House, where else? Yeah. Where? Our Capitol building. And even places that aren't that big. Places we see every day. Our schools, our homes, right? Porches, bridges, lots of places. Yes.
The public library.
The public library, great one. Street lamps, those are columns, right? Okay, Olympic Games. How often do we have the Olympics? Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Every 4 years. And what kind of games do they play at the Olympics nowadays? Yeah. Everything, right? Triathlon, biking, swimming. In the winter, they do skiing, snowboarding. But, well, who does the Olympics honor? Zeus, that's correct. Okay, now philosophy. What are the 3 big philosophers you all talked about? Who are they? Someone give me one. Okay, got Aristotle. Socrates, yep. And then who else? Plato, yep, that's right. And what am I doing with you guys right now? What kind of teaching method is it? I ask a question for an answer, right? What's that called? That's right. And the Hippocratic Oath. I know we had a big conversation about this yesterday. So remember we said if you have a doctor or a nurse in the family and you guys come up on a wreck, for example, and there's no ambulance there, what do the doctor or nurse do? Yeah.
Stop.
And why?
Because it's a part of their
Hippocratic Oath, right? We had a whole conversation on that yesterday. They have to, right? They sign an oath when they become a doctor or a nurse, and that's a Hippocratic Oath which originated in Greece. And finally, the Greek alphabet. I know we talked about this. I know we talked about this a lot, right? They called it what? The alpha beta, right? We say you know your ABCs, and they would say you know your A's and B's, right? Alphas and betas, right? Okay. Now open up Grease Study Notebook. I told you that at the start, but I was wrong. So what you're doing today is a review. So everybody open up the Grease Study Notebook. Does everyone have it open? I know you did, and then I told you and I was wrong. So I'm gonna explain to you how you're doing this today. So see here where it says can find answer in Grease slides 1, on slide 4 it's highlighted. Everybody see that? So on all of these slides, it'll tell you where to find the answer. Now, number 5, I'm gonna show you this one first. Slide 5, don't do till the end, because you have to open up a video for that to get your answer for this, and don't do that one till the end. There's the only one you need to watch a video on, and you don't need to do it till the end. Do we get it? When are you gonna do number 5? At the end. Okay. I wrote down over here a couple of these that are wrong. So everyone's gonna go with me to these slides so you can correct it on there, and everybody's got it, right? So go to question number 8, slide number 8 on this notebook. Let's see it. Okay, so on question 8, you need to correct it and write. You will find that answer on Grease slide 1, and then the specific slide 3. Where it says, yep, that's wrong. It needs to be slide 1, slide 3. Okay, number 9. It says slide 38 on here. That's incorrect. It is slide 49. So go ahead and correct that on yours. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Number 9 says it's. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. You will find the answer that says Grease slide 1. It says it's on slide 39. I'm sorry. It says slide 5, but it's slide 1, slide 39. Number 9 is slide 1, but slide 49. And then 19. You will find this answer on slide 5, not slide 42. Yes.
Did you say on slide 8, like when you said it over, did you say can you find answer if you slide 1 on slide 39?
Yes, that's where you get the answer. On number 19 on the notebook, you will find the answer on slide 5, not slide 42. And then on number 25, that's the bell ringer we just did today. So you will get that answer not on slide 3, but on slide 10. You can stop.